What up, YouTube? Back with the air compressor. Got my man, he on his way over here to run this 220 from the garage all the way to the house. Gonna pull it through underground, knock that out, and we're gonna see what we get from there. Hopefully that go right. Then he gonna put me some regular 110 plugs on this side and that other side. Nothing been going on with the Chevy. Nothing at all, man. Nothing at all. I'm gonna get back to it though in a minute. It's on the back burner for real now. I'm gonna go on and start back on it, man. About to snatch this motor out in a little bit. Go on and do the swap. Don't look for it no time soon. And I am, be honest with y'all, I'm not gonna even do the swap. The shop gonna do the swap. So do that. It's gonna be a 5.3, some heads and a cam. More likely I'm gonna keep it fuel injected. But let me let y'all know now. The Chevy, if y'all got some cash, y'all serious, y'all can come by as is. In the comments, don't ask me how much. If you got my number, then text me, I'll let you know. If not, you can email me. It's at SeanSchaefer@gmail.com. Sean is spelled S-E-A-N. Y'all can take my last name from the team, Schaefer, and we could work something out. But if it don't go, I'm about to swap this dash out. Dash is still for sale. What else? It's Sunday. Got my man, I'm about to do his tune up on this Eldorado. About to pull that in here in a little bit after get this compressor together, start his body work. He need body work. The inside, like I showed y'all before, it's clean. I'm gonna show y'all the car in a minute. So let me get to it. That'd probably be a whole separate video, but I'm about to do a tune up also. Getting this shit running from all the way from over here. It's 150 feet. Pull it, basement right there. All the way over there where that bag at. He and that now doing this thing, so we're about to get to it. Yeah.
We're done.
Yeah. Got it out. About to pull this old line out. Pull it underground. Over there. Got the string. Hold on, fam.
We're done.
Okay, YouTube. As y'all can see, previous, he had snaked it on through, did his thing, 1-2 thing. Got everything tidied on up from here to over there to in the house. told him he ain't got to worry about drilling the hole through there. I'm just gonna make my, get that bracket and put that up there. But I'm good. It is. We got air compressor now. We're good to go. So I'm gonna jump back on the Chevy in a little while, man. A little while. And in that Eldorado, man, I'm gonna cut his bezel so he can put that double D in there. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all that, man. Still over here making progress.